seeing only perfect square trinomials, so now we're going to look at difference of squares. This is what a difference of square looks like at the end. At the beginning, it looks like this. So we're going to go ahead and distribute the d through. D times d is d squared. D times negative 11 is negative 11d. Those terms, the difference of squares and perfect square trinomials, you're going to hear in the next chapter that we do. 11, distribute it through 11 times d, and then 11 times negative 11. So I get 11d, and then 11 times negative 11 is negative 121. Now, with the difference of squares, what we get when we combine like terms is 0 inside of there, so I don't have to write them. So I end up with just d squared minus 121. Let's see another one of those. I've got c squared times c squared, which is c to the fourth. I've got c squared times negative 8, which would be a negative 8c squared. Then I'm going to take my 8 and distribute it through. Those are my inner terms. And my last terms, 8 times c squared is 8c squared. And then 8 times negative 8 is negative 64. Combine the like terms. I get 0, and then I have minus 64. So c to the fourth minus 64, the middle terms fall out again. I've got 9v cubed times 9v cubed. Those are my first terms being multiplied together. That's 81v to the sixth. Outer terms, or just distributing this 9v cubed, like I said, to both the terms in the second set of parentheses. I end up getting a negative 9v cubed w to the fourth. Now I'm going to distribute w to the fourth through. W to the fourth times 9v cubed would be 9v cubed w to the fourth. Then w to the fourth times negative w to the fourth is negative w to the eighth. Those terms fall out. They give me 0, so I get 81 v to the sixth minus w to the eighth. I have two special cases here. This first one, I am supposed to find the area of the concrete, so this gray section. Well, if you think about it, what I want to do is I want to subtract off my pool. So I'm going to find the area of the whole thing, which would be this x plus 5 times x plus 5, because I'd be doing length times width. And then what I want to do is I want to subtract off the pool part. So I'm going to go ahead and put a minus sign here. I'm going to write the area of the pool as x plus 2 times x minus 2. So I FOIL out or multiply these together, which gives me x squared, 5x, 5x, and then 25, for a total of x squared plus 10x plus 25. Now I'm subtracting off, okay, I have to put this in parentheses, what I get when I FOIL here. So I've got x squared, and then I have a negative 2x, I have a positive 2x, and a negative 4. And now I'll distribute my negative through, so I get a negative x squared. Negative times negative is a positive x, 2x. Actually, let's back up here. I should have combined like terms. So let's go ahead and combine like terms first. This creates 0, minus 4. Now I'll come up here and finish this up. So I end up getting, on my first part, x squared plus 10x plus 25. Now I'll distribute my negative through, so I have negative x squared, and negative times negative 4 is positive 4. So when I combine my like terms, those create 0. I have a 10x, that's by itself. I have 25 and 4, which makes 29. I have one more special problem on the next video.